Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off daily screen time on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and click on profile in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down until you find an option of screen time. So here you can see that, click on that option. So here you can see daily screen time. So if you it is set the daily time limit, so let me do that first. So that, and if you want to turn that off, you simply need to click here, and here you can see that you turn off daily screen time. So this is a simple process by which you can turn off daily screen time on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.